Happy New Year's Eve 2023 YouTubers. This is Danny Zen coming to you live with sunrise number 56 or so, hopefully out of 20,000 plus. Listen up, it's going to be a very short video in case Santa Claus didn't come or you're just tired of trading time for money, building somebody else's dreams instead of somebody else's. Listen up, this is probably, I can't believe I'm crazy about a simple, safe, disinfectant and sanitizing product, our company called the HypoChlorous company. Okay, this is a game changer, guys. You need to grab pen and paper, jot down the following information. Okay, this is the world's first and only both certified Environmental Protection Agency registered and certified USDA organic line of safe, non-toxic disinfecting products. Okay, safe to use on children, pets, food, okay, even on your plants. It is called the HypoChlorous company. It's actually made with something called HypoChlorous acid. HypoChlorous acid is actually something that our own white blood cells makes. All mammals' white blood cells make, okay? They have a patent on the process to make it shelf stable, so it can last up to a year or so in the bottle, okay? You can learn more and supplement or replace your income, possibly earn passive residual income while you sleep. It's not official network marketing, multi-level marketing, but a tiered affiliate program. Currently, it's free to become a HypoChlorous company affiliate like myself, okay? Learn more and along with viewing our certifications for the organic and EPA registration by visiting the links at tinyurl.com. Make that linktree/safe sanitizer, okay? Again, that's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/safe sanitizer. And if that link doesn't work, you can also visit T as in Tango, INYURL.com/safe sanitizer will also work, okay? If you can't spell sanitizer, then you can also visit tinyurl.com/tryhypo. That's TRYHYPO, okay? Now, so many industries and uses. I mean, I'm looking for some leaders. Currently at least available in all 50 states. I'll have to get back to you if it's available in other countries. We got 4 warehouses. It is a proven COVID killer in all variants of COVID. Okay, it's about 120 times safer and more effective than straight bleach. Okay, 120 times safer and more effective than bleach. Okay, it's great as a chlorine substitute. Okay, they have for in-ground and above-ground pools and spas. Obviously, you got the healthcare industry, dental offices too, veterinarians, you know, pets, people, horses, trainers, equine they call it, and then obviously, you know, food services and restaurants. Obviously, ideal is airlines and cruises since people are so close together. So it's a complete no-brainer, okay? If you have any product and or business opportunity questions, leave me a voicemail at my Florida landline number with 3 to 5 times and days that you're free to speak, or your email address. My landline is 786-441-2727. Again, that's 786-441-2727, so you can help us achieve our mission of ridding the world of toxic cleaning chemicals, okay? That's our mission, ridding the world of toxic cleaning chemicals. And with this game-changing product and company, okay? And to disrupt the cleaning industry. Definitely, if you're a housekeeping manager, owning cleaning or janitorial supply company, definitely contact me, okay? I'm reaching out to a bunch of them, including the quote-unquote the cleaning guru I just learned about, okay? Anyone that's, you know, Ecolab or other chemical cleaning company sales reps, definitely call me. Anyone that's got a burning desire to have time freedom, you can contact me, okay? Again, the landline number is 786-441-2727. If you don't hear from me in a timely manner, reach out to my HypoChlorous company affiliate sponsor, Ms. OR Lgagan, on her Utah mobile. Laurie's number's 219-789-7180. Again, call OR Lgagan at 219-789-7180. And just give her my affiliate discount code, which is HowToDieOfNothing, and that's all letters, okay? HowToDieOfNothing. And you can also enter that on our main website to save 10% if you just want to be a happy customer. You know, save on your health, indoor air quality, and also money, of course, too, okay? And that's tryhypo.com is one of the main sites, tryhypo.com, okay? If you want, you can email me at either HowToDieOfNothing@gmail.com. Again, all letters, HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, or dct3@cornell.edu is my primary email, okay? That's D Delta C Charlie T Tango the number 3 at cornell.edu, okay? If you have really highly technical questions, you can contact their customer service number. Should be the 800 number somewhere on the website, or our VP of Sales, Mr. Josh Williams, which I don't have his phone number handy, but just contact me and I'll get that phone number to you, okay? Take care, everybody. I know this was a short video, and hope everyone has a safe, happy New Year's, okay? Be well. Oh, the link, if you want to join my team and start working towards time freedom, just go to either tinyurl.com/rid-the-world-of-toxic-chemicals. Again, that's tinyurl.com/rid-the-world-of-toxic-chemicals with an S. Or you can go to tinyurl.com/join-the-safe-cleaning-network, okay? tinyurl.com/join-the-safe-cleaning-network. Take care, everybody.